It was record highs at one point, then it dropped like 5-10% in a matter of an hour or so. But there's a lot of exciting stuff I want to cover in today's video with the overall crypto market. Many people are getting worried, saying this is terrible, but I see this as a huge buying opportunity. We're going to go over some coins I'm buying, we're going to go over some pieces of news, and why I still think we're on track to reach all-time record highs later this year. So if you enjoy these sort of short, concise videos that are around 5 minutes or less, well, let me know by liking the video. If we get this video up to 2,000 likes, I'll continue doing more of these. I know many of you guys subscribe to the channel for these short videos in the first place. So right now, the overall crypto market is sitting at a $2.77 trillion market cap. And the interesting thing here is that we saw Bitcoin's price break above $69,000 per coin at one point, starting to push towards 70,000 before just getting dropped like a rock. It just tanked back down to $62,000 per coin. Everything's already working its way back up. We issued a number of buy alerts in our Patreon community, but there are a lot of great buying opportunities out here. So the first thing that happened today with the overall crypto market is with regards to inflation. Inflation came out earlier today, consumer price index, and numbers were much higher than expected. Consumer prices jumped 6.2% in October, and this is the biggest inflation surge in more than 30 years. We're seeing numbers that we haven't seen since 1990, 1991, and this is going to be great for crypto. This is going to push more and more people into the crypto markets as a hedge against inflation. This is what we'll see. People go into gold or crypto, and I think we're going to continue to see more and more money poured into crypto. Second thing is with the overall crypto market, we saw tech dev come out on Twitter, and I found this post pretty funny, pretty informative, and that was, it just put a black line for a certain time period over the last couple of days. And if you get rid of this black little rectangle right here, if you put that there, it looks like we are still just consolidating a bit from November 9th. It's like we didn't even see that rise earlier in the day. So basically what he's saying is, look, we had a big run up earlier in the day. People were pushing Bitcoin's price, pushing crypto all the way up to $70,000 per coin before seeing it drop back down. But this was only like an hour or two window, really not even that long. So if you look at still over the last couple days, the daily charts, even the 4-hour charts, we are still just consolidating right around that $66,000 to $67,000 per coin range. Nothing to worry about in terms of technicals. Another thing he showed is this chart with regards to Bitcoin 2021 versus gold in the 1970s. If you look at this, we are still exactly following the price of gold in 1970 and in 1970s. So nothing to worry about in terms of crypto, Bitcoin. In my opinion, I think this is just a great buying opportunity to get in. We're seeing prices that we haven't seen in a couple of weeks for some coins that we talk about all the time on the channel. We'll go over those in a minute. Next thing I want to go over is two things. We saw a number of big names come out talking about crypto today. We saw one, which was the CEO of Citadel. He came out, his name is Ken Griffin. He came out and said that, look, he thinks Bitcoin will be disrupted by a superior cryptocurrency based on Ethereum's blockchain in the future. This is one of the many reasons why I say I am so bullish on Ethereum, so bullish on Polygon and all these other layer 2 solutions for Ethereum, because this is where the future of crypto is. Bitcoin's always going to be around, always going to be great, but I think the real value is going to be in DeFi with smart contracts, NFTs, and that entire decentralized finance ecosystem and world. So that's why I think it is important to invest there. And it's interesting to see someone like Ken Griffin, who is the CEO of Citadel, one of the biggest financial services company in the world, come out and say this about crypto. Other person who came out, which isn't a financial services person, but it was interesting to see and an interesting story to share, was with regards to an NBA star named Spencer Dinwiddie. He came out, he plays for the Washington Wizards. He said that, look, cryptocurrency right now is a sure bet. He said, how many times in history does this happen where you see an entire new asset class being formed? He said it's the birth of a brand new asset class with crypto, and not many people have this opportunity in their lifetime to get involved. I loved this quote. I thought it was great, and it is so true. Right now is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity still to get involved with a brand new asset class that only has a $2.77 trillion market cap. The entire crypto market is becoming its own asset class, and right now it's only at a $2.77 trillion market cap compared to gold, which is over $10 trillion. So there's a lot of room to continue to grow. Lastly, if we're going to look at a couple of coins that I were talking about looking at buying and even adding to my positions today are coins like the ones that are the biggest losers. So coins like Polkadot, coins like Polygon Matic. Those are both down about 10% over the last 24 hours. Coins that I love and am extremely bullish on. Other coins that I was looking to add to also are coins like Solana, adding a little bit there, but price for that still is relatively high. Coins like VeChain I've been looking at. Other coins are, when we scroll down a little bit lower, we start getting into like the EOS type of coins. We start getting into Cadena sort of coins and others like that. But if you want more information on what I'm buying, what I'm selling, make sure to check out the Patreon community using the link down below. Issued a couple of buy alerts there earlier, but right now today is just a great buying opportunity for crypto. Last thing I want to talk about is just a quick announcement. A lot of people have been freaking out about some of these ICOs and small cap altcoins I've been doing videos on lately, but the whole reason I was doing them is because people in the Discord requested that I make videos on smaller cap altcoins, potentially 100x coins. The way that I see it is ICOs are going to be the next 100x coins, like, the coins that haven't even been listed on exchanges yet. So I do a lot of research, finding which projects I really like. So it really bothers me when people say they don't like the projects or they're scams, because I do a lot of research. Do your own research, let me know your thoughts, but don't just comment something negative saying it's a scam, saying I was paid, because I do a lot of research into all of these projects. I'm not always paid, and if I am, I let you guys know, but I really do a lot of research into these projects, and the only reason I've been doing them is because people have been asking for some potential 50, 100x projects. So I've been, doing a lot of hours and hours of research, finding these small cap altcoins and these ICOs. But that's what's going on with crypto. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.